Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to offer free shipping in Shopify. So in this case you can easily open the product section, and here when you open the products you can easily offer free shipping one by one, or there is another option. Just you have to go back and click on settings, and now click on shipping and delivery, and now here click on manage. So when you open this page, so you can find the domestic and rest of the world, two kind of shipping here: domestic for your country and rest of world for all over the world. So you can easily change it according to your need. So here I am typing 00. So in this way you can easily offer free shipping in Shopify.